You are welcome to another episode of Excel Tips. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some 6 important functions in Excel. These functions are math and trig functions. The first function that we're going to talk about is the sum function. The sum function helps you to add a range of numbers. The second one we are going to talk about is the average function. The average function helps you to calculate the average of a range of cells. And the third one that we're going to talk about is the mode function. The mode function returns the remainder of a division. The next one is the nth function. The nth function rounds down a number to the nearest whole number. The next one that we are going to talk about is the round function. The round function rounds a decimal value or a floating point number to a specific number of decimal points. And the last one that we are going to talk about is the power function. The power function returns the result of a number raised to a power. That is, gives you an exponent of a number. So, let's get the ball rolling. So the first function that I'm going to teach you how to use is the sum function. With the sum function, it adds up a range of cells or a range of values in an Excel sheet. So to do that, first of all, you type your equal to, then type sum. And then you select the range of values that you want to sum up. Then you close the parenthesis, press on the enter key. So here it gives you the sum of all these range of numbers. The second function I'm going to teach you about is the average function. So to use the average function, you just type the equal to, you type average. Then you select the range of cells to find the average for. And then you close the parenthesis, you press on the enter key. The next function I'm going to teach you about is the mode function. So here, if you want to use the mode function, type equal to, then type mode. And here you can use any number. So if I want to find the mode of, let's say, 15, and then the divisor, that is the number that you want to divide with. So I would want to divide 15 by 4. So here it will return the remainder of the division. So here it means if I divide 15 by 4, that is into equal parts, the remainder will be what? 3. The next one I'm going to talk about is the nth function. So the nth function also rounds up a value to the nearest whole number. So let me change this into a decimal point. So I'll say, okay, so I have this value to be a decimal point number or a floating point number. So if I want to round this into a nearest whole number, I'll just type int, and then I'll select this and close the parenthesis, press on the enter key. The next one is the round. With the round function, I'll just type equal to and then type round. And then I'll select the specific value which I want to round. I'll select this and then comma. That is the number of digits. So how many decimal places that I want to round this to? I want this to be rounded to 2 decimal places. So I'll just say 2. Then I'll press on the enter key. So here it gives me what? 2 decimal points numbers. The last one is the power. So the power gives you a number raised to a power. So here, if I want to know 13 raised to the power 2, I'll just type equal to, and I'll say power. Then I'll select this 13, comma, power 2. And then close it. Here it gives me 13 raised to the power 2. So these are the 6 trig and mathematics functions that I wanted to teach you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you're watching me on TikTok, don't forget to follow me and share for other people to also see. Bye.